This compact LifeBasis Ultrasonic Cleaner uses a professional 45 kilohertz frequency and a strong transducer to remove grime from jewelry, glasses, and small metal items without scratching them. The stainless steel tank holds roughly 20 ounces, which is plenty for everyday items, yet small enough that the unit fits easily on a bathroom counter or workbench. A clear lid and simple touch controls with several preset cleaning cycles make it easy to see what is happening and choose the right runtime for delicate or heavily soiled pieces. The integrated cooling fan and overheating protection help the machine stay stable and relatively quiet, even during repeated cleaning sessions. A short automatic degassing phase before each cycle improves ultrasonic performance, so you get more thorough cleaning and shinier results with the same solution. Included accessories like the watch holder and basket add versatility, allowing you to clean watches, dentures, and other awkwardly shaped items safely and conveniently.